Hey, let's do this one too. I don't know what you're doing heavy, but it sounds like you're not going through the DI channel or something, and it's just easier there. Boom, boom. So here's what we're doing here. Busy day, but I wanted to go over some stuff that people had some questions about. Uh, no sound yet. Have you tried the wait, still? No sound? Oh, you must be talking 2 seconds ago. That was 2 minutes ago. Here we go. Anyway, there's a lot of people here. Nick's here. He's helping somebody in his house real quick. So here we go. We got well, everybody's here pretty much. Holy crap. I was gonna try to catch up, but it's too far up there. Uh that's gonna be hard to do while I'm on the show, but we could try. Well, yeah, I could try when I'm on the show here in just a second. As soon as Nick gets back on and then we get to some other things, I'll try sending you an email here. And then we got L11, we got Michael Jones, morning. What's up, SJ? Okay. So one of the main things that we were going to cover is the Libera token. A lot of people obviously nabbing this thing up. And a lot of stuff going through, but a couple of people, and this wasn't this isn't anybody specific that I'm calling out here or like that I'm pointing out. I think this is general to relearn everything that we've learned. I created a tech tip video once, and let me just see if I can go through and get that tech tip video pulled up. Dun dun. Let me go over here, and then I'm gonna go all the way down. The tech tip video is called Add Custom Tokens. Okay. So remember every time you guys add or buy a token um that is like not a normal token, like so any pretty much any token. You had to do this back in the day when you had fetch tokens and other things. So the example that I use, this was when the PayPal token came out, PayPal, and the video is called Add Custom Token to MetaMask. And I walk through how to get the contract address and then how to go through the wallet and add the custom token to the wallet. So a lot of people are saying their N Twin tokens or their N Libera tokens, they can't find them in their wallet. And I think they forgot the simple step of they need to add the token to their wallet. So regardless, like a lot of people are saying, "Oh, they're not in my wallet, right? They're not there. How do I find or how do I make them be there?" It's not making them be there. All you're doing is telling MetaMask to go look for the token and show it to you, okay? So I'm going to do that live here, ways to do that with the N Twin and the N Libera, because no matter what we do and how many times we say it, for some reason, it's just not clicking for a few people. So I'm going to kind of go through that right now. So if I were on the website, there's a couple of different ways that we could do this. And there's one on the website. And then at the very top of your member dashboard, and I'm going to show this, I put the contract addresses. I didn't just put that for fun, right? There's a reason for that. So those people struggling to like get the token in their wallet, there's a reason that I put these up here. So here's the two contract addresses. There's even a cooler way. So one, what we could do is we could just copy this address. So if we had the N Leap token or the N Twin token, for example, if you were anybody that was emailing me yesterday that I told to do this 4 times. I emailed that person back 4 times, and I literally gave the instructions too. I said, I'm going to show the email because they kept saying that I wasn't emailing them back. There's something in English. I couldn't figure out what was happening. Like I thought I was getting punked. But I was emailing this person back. And what I was saying in the email is here, let me pull it up. So then I said, I think that there was going to get some confusion in the email change or something. So the only thing that I said in the email, and I was wondering if I could block this out. Then I created an email, super simple, with just one-liner. Here we go. And this is the response that I kept giving this person. I said, go to add the custom token because they kept saying the N Twin wasn't showing in their wallet. And I said, it is there. Use this page. And I gave a link to the page I'm going to show you. So That's how simple it is to add the N-Twin token. And I kept saying this to the person, and the person kept saying I wasn't telling them anything. So I said, add the custom token. It is there. Use this page. So the page that I linked to is actually a page that we created on Node Market called the Token Index, which is really cool. So I linked this person to this page. And on this page, you have tons of options here. You could add the NLeeb token to your wallet. You could add the N-Twin token to your wallet. And what this button does is the exact same as I did in the video. It's like copying this address, copy, and then you remember how you used to go to your MetaMask wallet, and then you used to go to import tokens, custom token, you would paste the token address and it would pull up and you go next. So with this button, we've created these buttons to do is instead of copying and pasting everything, you can just go to this page. And let's just say you wanted to add the NLeeb to your wallet. You just bought some NLeeb. It's not showing up in your MetaMask. You want to add it to your wallet. So you go add to MetaMask. It does the same thing. And then all you have to do is go add token. Boom. And this wallet has 0 NLeeb. So if I would have had some NLeeb, it would show the balance and then it shows up. So let's do this with NLeeb this way. So I'm going to go back out because I want to walk through this slowly. If I wanted to add NLeeb, I would go add to MetaMask. It pulls it up, and then I go add token. Okay, boom, token was added to MetaMask. We've made this all on Node Market, super easy. So then if I open up my MetaMask, I can see my NLeeb is there, 0. Okay, notice how N-Twin isn't there. I haven't added that yet. So if I want to add N-Twin, I could do the same thing. I could go add to MetaMask, and then my N-Twin will show up. Also, if I wanted to do it this way, I could go copy this address. Hold on, I got to get rid of that. Copy this address. I could go here. I could go import token. This is the old way of doing it, rather than using Node Market's way that I linked to this person in the 4 emails that I sent, and then many more to explain it. So then you can go token contract address, add twin, then you go next, and then we're at the same spot we were a second ago with NLeeb, and then we could import that token. I'm not going to do that yet because I want to keep this wallet without it. Or we could do the other way, which is add to MetaMask. And this go ahead and pops it up nice and easy. Boom, that's the easier way of doing it, okay? So there's 2 different methods to add a token to your MetaMask. So remember this too. Once you buy the tokens off the exchange, regardless if you see them in your MetaMask or not, well, hold on, let me see something. Regardless if you see them in your MetaMask or not, they're there, okay? They are definitely there. So the only thing that you can't see is just see them in your wallet because you haven't told MetaMask to really show them to you yet. But if you were to go on Etherscan, you would see that the Libera tokens are there, the N-Libera tokens are there, or the N-Twin tokens are there. So it's
Brandon, can you jump on Etherscan real quick and just show people that everything they own is available by just searching your wallet address on Etherscan?
Yeah, so I mean, even if you go over here, you'll notice, oh, here, let's do this, let's do this, let's do this. And the reason that MetaMask does this is, look at this. So in this wallet, whatever it is, I have Ethereum, $17 worth. I have NLeeb added that I added the custom token. There's nothing else. But if I go to Etherscan, I can see there's a couple other tokens. I have some invisible pets, whatever those are, some Paradise Trippies Mint Pass. Well, this must have been a fun wallet. And then I have like another thing here. I could go to any wallet and see every token I literally own. And the reason MetaMask hides the tokens, they think that they're trying to protect you a little bit. They don't want you to see scam tokens that you never added. So you have to manually add some of those tokens. So you can always see all your tokens. So for example, if I would have bought an Libera, it would show up here before I add it to MetaMask. So you can always see stuff on Etherscan prior to adding it to MetaMask. So I know there was a couple of people that emailed me yesterday saying, how do I add it? Anyway, so I'm hoping that helps in a way that's very succinct and clear. So I'm hoping we remember how to do and remember adding custom token is something you'll always have to do. So I know we kind of forget that as we're buying new tokens. So it's nice to go back and kind of retouch on this. And I noticed that because I've gotten no short of like 18 emails on, oh, I bought the Libera, but it's not showing up in the tokens. Okay, careful. I might call somebody out here. Let's I'm gonna pull up the email. I'm gonna do it. I'm not doing it. No, I'm gonna do it. So for example, this is the perfect because I'm gonna use this person's wallet here because they send me their wallet and when careful, remember when you paste a wallet to me, 0 is the front thing. It's not O. So when you type a wallet, for some reason, a lot of people type O for whatever reason. And it's not O, it's 0. So I'm going to pull up their wallet here. There's like a ton of emails from this person. And you can see that this person sent, here we go. Let's go to Etherscan. I'm going to paste their wallet address, but then I got to go change. They typed O, so I got to go change that to a 0. And then anyway, this will pull up their wallet. And they're saying the N-Twin tokens aren't there. So this is a perfect example because you go in their wallet on Etherscan, and here's the N-Twin, okay? They just haven't added the custom token in their wallet, okay? So this person that emailed me, all they need to do is they need to go to the link that I sent them over here that goes to this link down at the bottom of Node Market. They need to go to that link, and that person just needs to hit add MetaMask. And that'll pull up N-Twin. They need to add token. And then it's already added to the MetaMask. And once that person does this, it'll see the 5,700 N-Twin in their wallet. Because sometimes MetaMask deletes these tokens, whether if you do an update or whatever, it'll see that 5,700 N-Twin in their wallet that shows on Etherscan. Because it doesn't just disappear. Tokens don't just disappear. MetaMask's ability to view them sometimes goes away. Okay. And so that's hopefully very, very, very clear now. Hopefully. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I think that's a good walkthrough, a good reminder. So, yes, just like binoculars. Exactly. Boom, boom, boom. Yes, copy and paste the address. So, yeah, when people send me, I've had people do this too when they go to their MetaMask. And I recommended this last show. For some reason, what they do is I don't even know how they do it. They copy this and it sends me the 3 little dots right there. Like these 3 little dots, they copy 0x5062f ... 526f2. They paste me the ... in there. I don't even know how they do that. But the easiest way to copy address is go copy to clipboard. It's copied. Boom. And then you send it that way. And then I have some people take a camera shot of their address and send me the screenshot. I don't want that either because then I have to like kind of manually type it out and it's really tough. So hopefully all good there. We're good. Anyway, easy peasy. Sorry, that was a little longer one. But here we go. Sometimes it's good to go back to the basics because a lot of people were asking me that question, and not just the person that I was calling out. I had like literally 17 emails on how to do that again. But remember, you got to do this stuff all the time. So that's good.
Those would be 17 emails I wouldn't have answered, buddy. Those would be 17. That would be 17 unanswered emails. Yep.
That's okay. We're good to go. Hopefully that made a person happy, and we are good to go. Oh, the other thing. Have you tried out Grok?
No, but I know that the gloves are off when it comes to censorship.
Yes.
You pretty much do just
no
about
censorship. They're gonna have copyright infringement problems. Okay, so let me just show you. Okay, let's go over here. Let's do what's something we want to do. We're gonna create an image here. We're gonna create an image. Let's go. Oh, here's a good one that I saw. Let's do make an image of Donald Trump on the let's go in Antarctica playing golf. Okay, and I'm going to show you the difference here. Okay, in Antarctica playing golf. So you hit that, right? Oh, vote.gov. That's cool. That's like a little ad or something. Anyway, so it'll create this image here in a few seconds. How real? I mean, that almost looks real, like pretty realistic. Okay, so if I were to go to ChatGPT and do
we got to do Donald Trump in a death match against Bugs Bunny in like a knife death match.
Yeah, you've seen the. I don't know if we want to. Do we want to do? Because
yes,
Grok holds nothing back. Anyway, let's go to ChatGPT and do that. First off, it'll give me an error. It won't give me Donald Trump, which is probably the right thing to do. Okay, so but then if we do this, let's just do make an image of someone in Antarctica playing golf. Let's just do that. I just want to show you guys the difference between the images over on Grok and ChatGPT. Okay. Anyway, what did you want to do while that's pulling up?
So we want Donald Trump.
Are you sure?
In a knife fight with Bugs Bunny to the death. Let's do it. Don't be a pussy. And in Norman Rockwell style.
Yeah. Okay. Wait, hold. I'm trying to make it less bloody because these images are super on
Here it is.
Grok.
In Norman Rockwell style, Donald
Okay.
Trump in a knife fight against Bugs Bunny.
I'm just gonna put fight.
Knife fight. Don't be a pussy.
Let me see what types here. Hold on. Bunny
Knife fight.
in a. Hold on. Oh, I missed a word. In Norman Rockwell style. Okay. Fine. Okay. Happy. Let's just see this.
If it's good, it's going on my wall.
Okay. Hold on. And then I'm gonna do one more. That's Norman. Look at that. Look at that image. Okay. Look. Let's do. Okay. So I don't think actually ChatGPT won't pull up any of those because Bugs Bunny is still copyrighted, right? Okay.
Right.
So
They
let's
won't do Bugs Bunny. They won't do a knife fight. They won't do Norman Rockwell. They won't do Donald Trump.
clown playing chess. This is good. Chess with a champion chess player. Make a picture of a clown playing chess with a champion chess player. I'm going to copy and paste that over to ChatGPT so you can see the difference here. Boom, boom. Okay, look how realistic these images are. That's AI. That looks like somebody took that photo.
Yeah.
Right? And if we go to ChatGPT,
you should make it, you should adjust it so it's the Joker.
Look. Like, you can tell that that's like, cartoony-ish, whatever. This is realistic looking. Oh, the Joker? Oh, that's a good. Generate. Oh, that's just. Make an image of the Joker.
Yeah.
Let's see what that does. Oh,
it's gonna be a good one. It's gonna be a good one. And can you stipulate landscape mode?
Holy crap!
Isn't that cool?
What the crap?
That's the Heath Ledger Joker.
Yes. Like, how does it do this? That like now, that looks like.
Do the Heath Ledger Joker playing chess with the Joaquin Phoenix Joker?
Playing chess with the
Joaquin Phoenix Joker.
How do you spell that? Joaquin?
Jauquin.
AUA?
JUA.
Oh, that's what I thought. Okay.
JUO. Joaquin.
I think I had it pretty close.
Yeah.
Joaquin. Oh, I didn't type Joker at the end. Hold on.
And it's the Joaquin Phoenix. I think it's JUOQUINE.
Yeah, I think I spelled it all wrong. I'll figure this out, John.
This could be a good one. Joker versus Joker.
Does that look like him?
Ooh, that's pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty good.
Pretty dang good here. That's pretty decent. Anyway, I don't think ChatGPT stands a chance on their AI generation.
Well, what it is it doesn't stand a chance because, censored versus uncensored, and because there's so many barriers and gates up, it's like your hands are tied. It's like,
well, even if I do the uncensored stuff, I'm not. You doing real? This looks so much more realistic to me than this, right? Like, let's just do a normal picture of.
Bill is mad. Bill's burning off.
Create a picture of a baseball player. Okay, it's just something simple, right? Bill's done. He's done with this AI stuff.
Bill's out.
I'm good with that. Hold on a second. I'm gonna do both of them at the same time. So this is the picture they created.
If people want to play around with it, where do they go?
So this is Grok is on Twitter, right? Which I think Elon made a lot of money yesterday or 2 days ago. Oh, that's a pretty good baseball player though. That's a cool picture, but it's still cartoony. This one looks like somebody snapped a shot.
Yeah, like a photo.
Yeah, like a photo. Anyway, all right, we'll get off this, but I just I thought it was pretty cool.
So where do they go if they're on Twitter? Where do they go to start making pictures?
They're just on the sideline, Grok. But I think you have to pay for premium. It's $8 a month, which is cheaper than ChatGPT.
Yeah. So let's see if they put limits in. Are those high resolution photos or are they high resolution pictures?
Let's see. Let's see here. Hold on. Hold on. I'll tell you what resolution it is. Documents, downloads. They're not very high resolution.
So that
Definitely
would be
not.
one thing is you can get really high resolution stuff.
I wonder if you could on here, if there's a different button here. Let's see. Share, copy. I don't see. I don't see where you can get a higher resolution. No, I don't see it. Anyway, oh well. Okay, let's
still
help Bill
pretty cool.
out.
Still pretty cool.
Let's chunk along here. Oh,
Yeah. Arm wrestling with Peter Schiff to break his old calcium depleted bones.
oh, we're gonna talk about. We can talk about some of that stuff today. Anyway,
I found an interesting article about the miners. I don't know if you if you found this one, Brandon, in your search, but Bitcoin mining profitability fell to an all-time low in August. Not
because the hash rate's higher, right?
Not a recent low, an all-time low.
Oh, dang.
So U.S. listed miners' share of the network hash rate increased to 26% this month, the highest level on record. Therefore, mining profitability fell to all-time lows as the network hash rate rose in the first 2 weeks of August. U.S. miners' share of the Bitcoin network hash rate rose to a new record of 26%. The bank noted that the network hash rate has risen about 1% so far this month. So Bitcoin mining stocks gave back artificial intelligence related gains in the first 2 weeks of August as network hash rate rose, which pushed mining profitability to record lows. So it's harder and harder for miners. We already knew that below 60, 70K, that a lot of them, most of them were going to be getting melted anyway. So just for those of you guys that don't know, hash rate in Bitcoin terms refers to the total combined computational power that is used to mine and process transactions on a proof of work blockchain or any distributed system where you're contributing hashing power, like compute power, right? So the total market cap of the 14 US listed miners, the bank tracks, fell 18% since the end of July. So in two weeks and some days, that whole space has fallen almost 20%. Currently, they trade at 2 times their proportional share of the 4-year block reward, which is not bad news for the U.S. sector because U.S. listed miners' share of the Bitcoin hash rate rose for the 4th month in a row to 26%. So we now constitute here in the U.S. more than 1/4 of the Bitcoin hash rate, which is pretty cool. And that's a new record high. So that's cool. The network hash rate, for those of you that really want to nerd, it rose 5 exahashes per second, which is a lot, to an average of 621 exahashes in the first 2 weeks of the month. The bank said, noting that it is still 30 exahashes below the levels seen before the halving. Man, whew. I feel like we've done an exahash already of just exciting shit today.
Boy, I mean, I did see that the hash rate was going up like super high. I didn't realize the profitability had gone down so low. That's tough stuff, right? Cutthroat world of mining.
Should we get behind the wall and then talk about all the stuff that Bill won't be able to see because Bill already left?
Yes.
No, look, the reason this stuff is
what camera are you using today?
Which what? Oh, computer camera.
It looks better. Like it blurs out it gives you a better Baroque. It gives you a better Baroque finish than any of that Canon crap you were using.
That was the whole reason I bought all that stupid shit. It was to get this damn thing that you can now do. What it was is you have to have the MacBooks with the it's got to be the M1 chip or better. And I wasn't really paying attention to that, but there's a little setting, and anytime you're doing any kind of live audio, there's a setting where you can bokeh. You can basically flatten the back of the image, make it all smooth and buttery.
I can, yeah, it looks good.
and you can crystallize it, so you can go all the way to full clarity, or you. This is the whole reason I got those other cameras.
Yes, I know. I know.
Guess where those are going? They're going in a box and going in a closet.
As they should.
I'm never going to look at them again.
as they should. Let's get behind the wall. Let's talk real
Okay.
stuff because there is some stuff happening.
Oh, there's some real stuff happening. All right. Let's
Not
see.
Grok
Let's go.
stuff.
Yeah. Let's see. Let's go here.
You guys are mean.
Let's go here. What? Yeah, they should have like pride shirts on. Anyway, just saying.
No.
All right, let's go here. And let's go.
Going behind the proverbial wall now to continue the broadcast privately for the digital investors and digital private clients. If you'd like to join us, simply go to nickblacknext.com and subscribe to one of our plans and immediately take advantage of our library of tools, tactics, and information. It's all designed to help you learn, grow, and manage your portfolio like a pro. Join us now.
What the? How'd that happen?